Hi Leos, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing. So let me see how will the month of October fare for you. What all is going to happen in the month of October for the zodiac sign Leo? All right, let me see what I can do. So Tarot, please tell me what is going to happen for the Leos in the month of October. Right. I'll be removing 6 cards. Hmm. That's amazing. Great. Hmm. Leos. Wow. All right. Leaders, Leos. Let me see what's happening. So, let me see what's happening on the health front here, Leos. So, health front, you're very stubborn about certain things. And Leos, yeah, sometimes they are very stubborn about their views and opinions. So you're very stubborn about your health habits. So that is something that you need to easen out. All right. Um, I know some of my Leo friends who will get up at exactly at the Brahma Muhurat, or exactly from 5 to 5:30 they'll go for a walk or a run, and exactly 11 o'clock is this what I have to eat. Exactly by 1 o'clock I have to have my lunch, and okay, that's all very good. I know, but sometimes when you're so disciplined, the energy, you never know when it shifts from the disciplined energy to a stubborn energy. All right, so then you do not want to change yourself, you do not want to move away from your routine. That is what is happening with you right now. If any viewpoint about you is stubborn and it is really not proving you good, please rethink about it, because this is what is happening right now. It could be your diet, it could be the way you look at food, it could be the way you look at yourself, it could be negative, positive, both. But anything uh, where you do not allow change to happen is a stubborn frequency. It's as simple as that. So that's the only thing I wanted to tell you. You're looking at health only from one angle. So look at the Queen of Swords. She is not showing the other profile. So you're not seeing at the other side of the health opportunities. So that's what you really need to do. Then I go to the wealth part. It is amazing. You get the wealth. Wow. The wealth card, the coin card only. You get a pentacle card. Wealth is amazing. You need not worry about money at all. If any worry comes, which will not, for that matter, no worry will be there. If any worry comes, also it will be taken care of, and just be peaceful with your mind. That's all I mean to say. Just be very peaceful. And this time, whenever you're getting money in large chunks. Wow. So nice to listen to. You're getting money in large chunks, and you will leap with your money. Maybe your share market price will, whatever you've invested, will grow up, even your mutual funds. So you will get into leaps, large chunks of money. My God, when this comes in a reading, I am the most happiest person. Even because I'm not a Leo, still I'm very happy for you. So your wealth is very, very, very good. Health is also good, just like you need to, look at the other angle of the health also. I come to the career. Career also is very good. Very, very. You will get everything that you expect. And your expectations are also good. So, whatever you are expecting right now is worth expecting. So, let me tell you one thing, Leos. This is a time that you should take leaps. You should take risks. Even with money or even with career, take a big leap. All allowed from my side. Simple as that. Alright? And when you have to take a leap, just breathe All right. I will, in the end of the video, I will give you a manifestation technique, how to manifest what you really want. So wait till the end of the video. And this will be especially for you, Leos. All right. Anyone else can do this technique. But because this is the time that Leos can encash, so I would like to give that technique to them. All right, so that's about career. Now here, okay, relationships. Only in relationships what will happen? Relationships are good, but you will toggle a lot between relations. So you might have to take care of many relations, or you might not understand what relations want from you. But this is also a Leo trait somehow. Leo is so much in the peak uh, of everything, and it's more like a careeristic side, but they are very loyal. See, Leos are very, very loyal. So sometimes they just do not understand the complications of relationships. That this would have been so simple. Why did this person complicate this thing so much? She could have just come and told me. But Leos don't understand that they are Leos, and the other person respects, I mean, fears you out of respect. So that person didn't come and tell you that. So you will toggle between relations. You will not understand what is that the other person wants, and you will get a little anxious and irritated about it. That's all. So relations are fine, just like you will not understand what the other person is expecting out of you, and you'll be very clear and straight and forward as you're a Leo, right? Again, one aspect I have added in this spread for the month of October is external influences. All right. So what will happen, Leo? This month you will have a lot of energy, like coming out of your navel. Huh? So your energy will be used for your health. Your energy will be used for your making money or your career and everything. Still, there will be energy left. Now this energy needs to be channelized, or else again you will start getting loop of thoughts, and you might not understand where to use this energy. And you might get a lot of acidity, and you might get a lot of uh, fiery problems or fire related problems, like not the actual fire but acidic problems is what I mean to say, the tattva, the element fire problems. Aag se darna, this is not what I'm saying. I'm not saying that you need to stay away from fire, just the element of fire is too much in the month of October for you all, and you need to use it wisely. All right. So I'll give you a tip for manifestation, but I think you should start writing. Whatever is coming, that needs to be went out. There could be a lot of ideas coming into your mind. There will be a lot of schemes coming to your mind. There'll be a lot of creative expressions you need to have. So express it in a book. You can type it on a laptop, but the way when you write, then your neurological play comes into the scene. So then energy is properly used out. This is what I always give as a therapy. All right. And when you'll achieve a lot of things, you might get into the frequency of the ego. And the human ego is what I talk about, the ahankar, the ahem. So that's a tip from my side, from tarot as well, that avoid ego. It has not helped anyone. But it happens when you're a leader, like a Leo, when you're a go getter, like a Leo, when you take decisions, you're successful, and you do it on your own. You're like a self made person. But then you start talking something like, I did it. Who gave you money? I gave you. Who gave you this idea? I gave you. Who planned the picnic? I planned. So this is something that you really need to avoid, Leos. So the tip is, uh, you manifest. Put all your energy in manifestation. Put all your energy in helping people around. Not, I mean, I never say that help poor people only. Maybe there are people who really need help. Maybe some physical help that your wife needs or your mom needs. Like, please open the shutter. and remove all the clothes and help me arrange the clothing or arrange the rack. Maybe that'll uh, channelize your energy. And yes, the tip that I was talking about is a very small exercise that you can do for manifestations. Actually, anyone can do that, but here, this is your time for manifestation. So, Leos, you should first write down what you want to manifest. Okay, like I want a bike or I want a car or whatever, right? Write what you want to manifest, not how you want to manifest. Please do not write, I want a bike and I want a lakh of rupees to buy the bike. No, you want the bike, manifest the bike. Is it okay if someone comes and gifts you? No problem, right? Why do you want money for that? Chill. Anyway, you have money. Don't you worry. So, if you want to manifest, please write what you want to manifest, like a house or a wife or your baby or whatever. Right. Close your eyes and imagine a coil near your third eye, like the tortoise machar coil. The coil near your third eye. Imagine that becoming big, 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 big and expanding till the object or circumstance that you want to manifest. So the coil should expand and go and hit that object or your goal and pull it into your third eye back. This is an amazing exercise. Amazing exercise, let me tell you. And when it works, please write down in the comment box. Please go back to this video and write down in the comment box. It will be really motivational for me. I hope this reading was helpful for you. So share this video with all the Leos and share all the other videos with the other zodiac signs, and I'll see you next month.